my beautiful Jays, welcome back to my homie casa. It's tu casa, and after an exciting day for me, I must say I am spoiled. Today, I went out with my daughter and she got me my nails done. Yes, I went out of my comfort zone. Beautiful. Not only that, she got me a purse, a Victoria's Secret. I was so happy. Got me red. Well, it's more like a burgundy than a red, but the tassels, like, you can't beat that. Gorgeous. Now, must say that after having and just finishing this little paparazzi live video that I just did, I feel accomplished. And I was treated today very kindly, and I was very happy, you know. So I have to share with you guys. I feel spoiled. My daughter did my nails, bought me my purse. My hubby, I went with my hubby to get a haircut, and he went to one of my stores that I like, but I never come out with nothing, honestly. And it was in the Christmas tree shop store, and he got me these. I was so happy. Gotta show you. I wanted aprons because I wanted to make some aprons, but I needed a pattern to it. And the apron patterns that they had at Walmart, I didn't like. But the fact that he got me these, I can go and do like a couple extra with this pattern and then use those. But I love these, the one he got me. This one is a slice of pie, and it says, "I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry." And then it has the pocket right here. And this beautiful gray color, which I'm going to use, honestly, to go to the Sherwin-Williams and take it, and maybe they can copy this gray, because I totally love that gray. I totally do. So he nailed it with this. Then I thought he was done, and he got me this one, which is cute. It says, "My cooking is so awesome, even the smoke alarm cheers me on." Now that was funny, guys, because if you come to my house and I'm cooking, I do not know who in his good mind will think of putting a smoke detector next to the stove. So I have this smoke detector that's like between the hallway, like in front of my door from my room, but like in the hallway, and right next to it, like a foot away, is my stove. So every time I'm cooking, like in the four things, burners, my freaking alarm goes crazy. So it's crazy. But I just totally, I like that, because my smoke alarm goes off and it's crazy. It cheers me on. Actually, it doesn't cheers me on. Actually, it makes me go crazy. But the fact that, you know, it says that, it was so cool. Another thing that he got me was, well, I honestly gonna say he got it because he likes coffee too. But he got this one. It says, coffee keeps me grounded. Isn't that gorgeous? So he got two. Of course, I'm pretty sure one for him, one for me. But it does not matter. The point that he got them to me, it was cute. Cute. I can tell you the price, but oh yes, I do. It has it. The things were $5.99. The aprons, coffee mugs were $3.99. Cute. So when he was like, "Yeah, get them," I said, "Yeah." Now he knows I like biscotti, so he told me to pick one from there, and I picked this new flavor. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's the salted caramel biscotti. Never had these before, so I'm excited to try those. And I'm excited to try this, which is the, oh, by the way, they were $2.99 in sale. And then we bought the selective, what is it? I don't know, selective? It's covering, but it's selective cafe aroma, premium blend, Italian espresso, roast, ground, 100% Arabica coffee. Rich tasting blend with intensive aroma. And I must say, guys, I go like this to the package. I can smell the coffee, so I cannot wait to try this. And this was $3.99. So, being that said, that is my Christmas tree shop spoil haul given to me by my husband and my daughter. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.